Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Monday, the 27th of July. I hope you had a great weekend. You know, the clouds yesterday over the Cape and the islands, I know some of you are probably down there listening to this, and those were caused by a little area of low pressure that ended up just sort of circulating south of Nantucket and brought in the clouds and even some light drizzle in some spots. Now, we don't have anything like that coming in for today. As a matter of fact, if there are a few clouds this morning, we are going to see them dissipate, mostly sunny skies. The one exception could be over central and western Massachusetts this afternoon. There might be a little shower or thunderstorm. And then we're going to see a really anomalous low pressure area developing over New York State for Tuesday night and into Wednesday. And eventually, that is going to swing through an area of showers. I think that it holds off until probably Wednesday. So it may even be the second half of Wednesday, but by Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday night, as this thing spins around, we could see some significant rainfall around here on the order of up to an inch of rain. And again, most of that looks to me like it's going to come in later Wednesday into Wednesday night. And the low may linger on Thursday, kind of just fall apart over us, leaving us with a couple of showers. And then we should be a little bit better here for at least the start of the weekend. What happens for the second half of the weekend remains hinging on or dependent on a frontal system which will be moving in. And the weather in terms of heat, it doesn't look terribly hot over the next week or so. I do see the potential for some more 90-degree weather, but I don't see any potential for, at least right now, any prolonged heat waves. Again, we're getting into August here at the end of the week or into the weekend, and once you get into August, you can certainly get heat waves, but it's kind of like we're over the hottest average part of the summer. We've had the hottest weather ever recorded in New England in early August, but right now that does not look like we'll see a repeat. Have a great day, everybody.